can't turn the swell.
Yo guys, I'm gonna hit the house. You ready?
Wait 1 sec.
Yeah, we still got like 5 minutes. You ready?
The franchise doing big business. I live this, it's automatic. I win this, so you hear those horns, you finish. A soldier, and I stay under you fighting. Plus I'm storming on you chumps like I'm thunder and lightning. Ain't no way you breaking me, kid. I'm harder than nails. Plus I keep it on lock like I'm part of the jail. I'm slaughtering stale competition. I got the whole block wishing they could run with my division, but they gone fishing with no bait. Kid, your boy hold weight. I got my soul straight. I brush your mouth like Colgate. In any weather, I'm never better. Your boy's so hot, you never catch me in the next man's sweater. If they hate, let them hate. I drop your whole clan.
I should probably censor that.
Ready? Your time is up. My time is now. You can't see me. My time is now. It's the franchise where I'm shining now. You can't see me. My time is now. It's gonna be.
Alright guys, what's our experiment?
So when we started the experiment, we decided we need some tall place to drop these eggs from. So we thought to ourselves, where would it be? We said Brenton Point. Brenton Point.
It's perfect.
So first we decided we need eggs. So we said, where should we get eggs? So as half of our group headed out to Brenton Point, the other half went to Ashmar to get a 12-pack of eggs.
For $5.39.
If you like pina coladas and get out the horse, I don't want it. See, like a horse, I be ballin' on sports. Dash got so much wood, I could build me a fort. Hang so many things I ain't done.
Yo, Chucky, put this in your chain.
Toilet, I'm just barely getting started. You already upset. Got a tiger as a cat. I just took him to the very homie. I be making hits.
So when we got to Brenton Point, we climbed up the structure as someone was waiting at the bottom with the bed sheet, and we dropped the eggs off. And who would have thought they would break?
But they did.
Riley's never played ball like that before.
Done.
You missed.
Wait, what? Throw it back up.
Oh my god.
Oh!
What?
Oh, it broke. So, with the potential energy of an egg, we decided to test how it would actually fall in a physical environment. So we took the potential energy and calculated through the kinetic energy that it would take to break the egg on impact.
Ah!
Was that another egg?
Come on, let me go.
Alright, let's go loose.
Ready?
You suck.
You guys suck at holding that sheet. We're not gonna hold it right up against it.
Yo, Chris, can I throw it back?
Alright,
Chris, can I throw it back?
Catch that.
Oh, nice.
Did it break?
Nah,
Wait,
Stick
anybody
your
get that
arm out a
video?
little.
I did. I've been videoing the whole time.
Yeah, facts. Are you ready?
During the egg drop, we found out multiple things about eggs. One, that on impact, it has to be a solid surface for the egg to break. And two, if the surface is not solid, the egg will decelerate to a safe landing.
So Tim and Robbie, what were your thoughts on the experiment?
So our immediate thoughts were we knew that the eggs would break if we dropped them without the sheet, because the acceleration of gravity and the force of the impact would be too much for them to handle.
Yeah,
Robbie agrees.
it's about that. It was physics.
Hashtag
Physics!
physics!
Alright, now go to the... Make sure our results were accurate. We recreated the experiment multiple times with different eggs, both with the sheet and without the sheet.
Physics.
Physics.
Physics. Wait, leave it in there, John. Let's fling it.
Go back up.
Wait, right,
I'll catch it. No, we're gonna pull it up. 3, 2, 1.
Alright, ready guys? Curl it up.
Alright, make it tight. Make it tight. Ready?
Oh! Alright, ready?
Go. Heads up. I got.
Alright, now drop all the eggs at once.
I think we need one more with no sheet.
Yeah.
Mac, you got that one.
And Charles, I'm not getting any good angles down here. Ready, Chucky?
Chucky,
Yeah.
you got good aim.
This will be fine.
1, 2, 3.
Hold it out again.
Yo, maybe we should like move on to different lines.
Yo, do we have magic eggs?
I just think they might be really old.
I catch it.
Alright, ready, Chucky T?
Did you get
Yeah.
this from your house or did you go buy it?
I'm doing it.
bought
I know,
them.
trick shot.
Yeah, distance.
Hold on, ready? I'm
Behind
gonna drop
back.
one on the ground and then we'll do a trick shot.
No.
Alright,
Alright, ready? Behind the
Trick
back.
shot.
Yo, behind the back.
Don't
You gotta
forget to catch it.
catch it.
Well, when the egg was just falling on the ground, there was a split second when it hit the ground. But when the egg was falling onto the sheet, it slowed down. So there's a lot more room for the egg to go when it hit the sheet than when it hit the ground.
So it didn't break.
Oh, catch it, John!
This is science. This is insane. Teenphysics.org.
John. Guys, just throw us eggs and we'll catch them.
Yeah. Don't tell us when, just do it.
PH.
YC.
I forgot my letters.
Yo, guys, what should we do?
Hey, Chris.
Yeah.
How do you feel about this experiment so far?
I think so far it's really showing the structure of the egg and how the force of the
eggular structure. The eggular
The
structure.
instant stopping force is really of the ground is really throwing off the egg structure.
Let me ask you a question real quick. How fast was that egg falling? How fast was that egg falling?
9.8 meters per second.
No, that's how fast it was accelerating.
Lucky, got a video of how far I can throw it.
Alright.
Chris, it's gonna break before it leaves your hand.
Oh, wow, that went so far.
That was the ocean.
Magic.
PH.
YC.
Icy.
Physics.
Who wants to go catch one with their hat?
Let's do an egg toss.
I'll catch one with my hat.
Alright, go down there.
Let's do an egg toss with a tower.
Guys, we have a lot of material right now.
Yeah, no, we'll cut it up.
Egg toss 1.
Wait, you gotta hold that tight.
Oh, jeez.
John is coming back down.
Oh, your hands are gonna smell like egg. Alright, I'm hitting the house.
Chris, you can't. It's gonna break before you throw it.
Nah, he's hitting the house.
Yo, Chris, hold it like this so it doesn't break. Like, you know, you can't. Oh, okay.
That was
Oh!
Damn,
That
yo,
was a
why'd you
toss.
put baseball?
Yo, I threw it too hard, I think.
You didn't hit it?
Guys, we have
broke
3
before I
eggs
lost my
left.
hand.
Should we
I feel like we should actually
should we do something
it.
scientific?
Let me see.
No.
Do some science here. Do some science.
Okay. Alright. Or just not be the adult here.
Alright guys, we have 2 eggs.
Oh, yeah, 2 eggs. Now you guys can do it.
Wait, now
Tim,
let's
how
put
do you
one
feel
in the
about
egg
this?
carton and see.
It's really interesting because the
Alright.
ground breaks it and the sheet doesn't.
You'll put it in the egg carton.
Yeah.
well said. Hey Johnny. John, how do you feel about this experiment?
I don't know, life's crazy. My hat caught it and didn't break.
I don't know what's going on anymore.
This is just utterly insane. You ready for this? How fast is my hat accelerating to the ground?
9.8 meters per second.
Thank you. ScienceForTeens.org.
Oh!
Now I have 1 egg, Tim.
Good thinking, Tim. We only have 1 egg now.
That was like 5.19.
Alright, guys, it's been real.
Yo, Tim, what have you done on these sheets?
Nah, Tim took it bath the other day.
Yeah, it's what's up after school.
That's savage. I respect that.
Oh,
for sure.
With the sheet, the egg
Didn't
break.
Physics.
After taking our break for the physics drop, we decided we might go back to Morton and figure out if dropping the egg off one of the rocks it would be the same as dropping off the tower at Brenton Point. So let's go there now.
No, say mountain.
Just drop it.
Physics.
After conducting both of our experiences at Brenton Point and Morton, we decided to compare the heights that the eggs were dropped from. At Brenton, it was a high 30 feet, but at Morton, it was only a mere 7 feet. So we decided the height of the drop directly determines if the egg will break or not.
Physics.
Okay.
Whip it up in the sky, and we're gonna catch it.
No, let's get on the street. You have to at least make it to the street.
How high should I throw it?
Just throw it.
I'm gonna throw it under.
Yeah. Just do it. What are you waiting
Don't hit his
for?
car.
Ready?
Yeah, don't hit my car.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Physics.
You know what that egg isn't?
Splatted.
Splatted.
Hey, what's
Didn't
that?
splat.
So Riley and Chris, what are your thoughts on the experiment after doing it?
Well, after seeing the experiment, seeing the egg hit the ground with such velocity and force, I was thinking, well, of course, the egg's gonna break no matter what, even if it hits a sheet or something. But then after we tested it and we saw that the egg wouldn't break when it hit the sheet, it was like...
Chris?
We decided the sheet slowed down the egg more than the ground did, so it didn't break.
And it slowed it down with a comfort. It wasn't just, it was like a...
It was like jumping on the boxes instead of jumping on the ocean from the Empire State Building.
Exactly.
It's just a big difference.
It's like jumping off a roof on a trampoline rather than jumping off the roof onto the ground. You know what I mean?
Cut it. Now let's go.
Robbie, what are your thoughts on the project?
Physics.
Chris?
I thought it was a success.
Charles?
I think there's no other way to describe it than enlightening. I thought the information that we got was truly marvelous, and it can really teach the next generations of physics students.
I just want to say to the CP Physics class that we're projecting this to, AP Physics is fun, and you gotta drop the egg onto a sheet.
Because nobody cares what you ask.
No. I think that was fun, guys.
Yeah, it's kind of smell like egg now.
Hey, what's learning if you don't get your hands dirty? Oh, bloopers! Bloopers!
Hey Abby, I'm Chris, and I'm going to prove your egg crushing myth wrong. Well, I already did it, so it's wrong.
That's not safe. Damn.
Reckless, Chris.
Chris, I respect that.
If I'm hanging like that, you gotta videotape me.
Yo,
Hey,
Chris.
Chris, if you were to fall, how fast would you fall?
9.8 meters per second.
Ready?
Alright, today class we'll be talking about the give of eggs. And this is a very important subject when you're talking about biomaterial matters and exomaterial matters.
So, if you come over here and watch my presentation, the give of an egg is directly related to the portion size of the shell around it. So, if you take what I'm saying, the ground directly decreases the amount of give that an egg can have because of the strong nature of the ground. Whereas a sheet, if you drop it on a sheet, there's much more give on the sheet, which allows the egg to increase its ability of give and go further. So this equation would be G, as in give, equals 1/2 MPX times 12 to the 24th.
Squeeze it as hard as you want.
Physics!
Physics, bro.
It was a little more left.
Get more shots.
Yo, Riley, it was near you.
I'm gonna be the adult here and
It was near
think
you.
we need more shots. To be honest,
I've just been videoing the whole time.
I'm not even in your group.
Can you crush that egg in your hand? Just put it in your palm right now and try crush.
1 Mississippi, 2
I told you.
Oh my God!
I'm scared to.
No, do it.
Chris, you just can't.
Ready?
You
Ready? I'm breaking it.
Hey Abby, I'm Chris. I'm gonna prove your egg crushing myth all wrong.